We're pretty proud of the hats that we make, you know, and we look at it this way, that cowboy hat's probably the most recognizable piece of apparel on the planet Earth.
We were wanting to build the finest hat in the world. And I tell our employees, you know, we have to make a profit to stay in business, but our #1 goal is to make the finest hat in the world. We could have sold a lot more in the early days if we'd made cheap hats, but that wasn't what we were going for.
When we're not just selling hats here, we're selling membership into an exclusive club and family heirlooms.
And we all have the same goal in mind, is to make the finest hat, try to get them out to our customers at the right price, at the right time. You know, everybody here works for that goal.
But a lot of what we do is done by hand. You know, we still do a lot of things by hand. Hat blocking is where they set the wooden block into the crown of the hat and get that set, and then the finger blocker's got 36 fingers on it, and it reaches out and grabs the brim of the hat, and then he stretches that brim out, sets the band line, and that's kind of where the hat starts for us. And so lots of steam from the bottom up and from the inside out. And so that hat gets steamed and then molded into the shape that we want it in, the size, and then the hat block is, you know, sets that crown. So once that's done, then he'll run his hands around it. He uses a little fork that he'll continue to set the band line and make sure that that's a nice clean break right there. Then he'll put it into the plating machines and he'll plate it. And one of the things, we don't plate a hat for a specified length of time. When we plate a hat, then we check it and make sure when it kind of quits shrinking, because that's the felting process as it's getting tighter and tighter. We want our bodies to be nice and tight and come together really good and hold their shape. So we won't take them out of the plating machines until they're ready to come out. And then from that step, then we cut the brims on them, and then they come into finishing. And then we'll use several different grits on the sandpaper, and they'll go back and forth until they get the finish that they're after. And so you can definitely, as you walk through, you can definitely feel the difference in one hat to the other. So this old stuff still works the best. And we like the combination of the old equipment and then handmade. We believe that handmade is the best, as opposed to everything made by machine.
So those things, those little things are what make the hat last and be more comfortable for the customer.
We love the way our hats feel. We think they feel great.
I think when we're out there on the road or at markets and we're talking to people, they're excited about our product. They want to tell us how good it is and their good experiences wearing our product and sending us pictures and talking about it. Those are things that make you want to get up in the morning and go do it again.
So if you think about all the songs and the movies and the poems and the stuff that's been written over the years, well, it's up to us to continue those traditions and to keep that going forward for generations to come. It's probably one of the things that's really, truly American, you know, is the cowboy hat.
And we're just going to continue to grow and continue to do a better job of what we're doing.
We have 4 things that we want to do here at American Hat Company. We want to give you the best quality hat in the market. We want to give you great customer service, the best customer service in the business. We want to deliver when we say we're going to deliver, and we want to do all that at a very fair price. So if we can do those 4 things, then we feel like we're successful.
Because I'm very proud of what we do. It's something that every time I think about it, I start smiling.
We're extremely proud of that great iconic American cowboy. We're proud of the traditions and all of the things that iconic cowboy stands for. And we're extremely proud that we make cowboy hats here at American Hat.